Good morning, students. Myself, Amarnath Biswakarma from PG Senior Secondary School. Today, I am going to teach you mole in terms of volume. Moles in terms of volume. You know, all the gases are occupy the space. All gases occupy the space. That means in 1 mole of the gas always occupy 22.4 liter volume at STP. STP full form standard temperature pressure. That volume is called molar volume of gas. Okay. So in case of gaseous, a mole is defined as that amount of amount of the gas which has a volume of 22.4 liter at STP. This volume is called molar volume of gas. Molar volume of gas at STP. So 1 mole of gas always occupy 22.4 liter volume. So 1 mole gas at STP we can write equal to 22.4 liter. I also know 1 mole equals 6.023 into 10 to power 23 particles. Particles means here is a gas, so gas molecules are there. So at STP 1 mole gas equal to 22.4 liter. It is also equal to 6.023 into 10 to power 23 molecules of gas. Look here. 1 mole gas occupy 22.4 liter volume of gas at STP. It is equal to 6.023 into 10 to power 23 molecules of gas, because 1 mole equal 6.023 into 10 to power 23. Please take a screenshot. Well, students, just I told you 1 mole of gas always occupy 22.4 liter volume of gas. It is also equal to 6.023 into 10 to power 23. So we can write here at STP 1 mole of CO2 equal 22.4 liter. It is also equal 6.023 into 10 to power 23 molecules of CO2. It means if at STP I am taking the 1 mole of gas of CO2, that will be occupied 22.4 liter volume, and that volume also consisting 6.023 into 10 to power 23 molecules of CO2 in that volume. So suppose 1 mole of hydrogen gas at STP equal, same we have to write 22.4 liter volume or 20,400 ml, also we can write, or 20,400 centimeter cube volume, or 6.023 into 10 to power 23 molecules of hydrogen gas. So this value is always fixed. This is also called Avogadro number. This volume is called molar volume at STP. Clear? Okay, please take a screenshot. So we can easily define molar volume means the volume of one mole gas at STP is called molar volume. Molar volume. Clear? Relationship between mole and molar volume. The molar volume is equal to 22.4 liter or 20,400 centimeter cube ml. So we can easily correlate between the number of mole and the volume. So relation between number of mole, so n equal V upon 22.4 liter. This volume always we can take in form of liter. So number of mole can easily calculated by dividing total volume of gas in a liter by 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. Why? Because 1 mole of gas always consisting 22.4 liter. If volume have given, gaseous volume given, suppose 100 liter gas at STP. So what is the number of mole? So 100 upon 22.4. So this is the most important formula. By using this formula, we can easily calculate number of mole of gas at STP. Okay, please take a screenshot. I'm going to tell one examples related to mole and volume of the gas. Please take a screenshot. Well, students, I have written the few questions related to moles of the gas at STP. Calculate the volume at STP, standard temperature pressure, full form. Occupied by 14 gram of nitrogen, 1.5 moles of CO2 gas, 10 to power 21 molecules of oxygen. These are three questions. So look how to calculate this question. First question. First questions I have written 14 gram of nitrogen. You know N equal W by M. N is the number of mole. W is the mass of substance in gram. M is the molar mass. You know nitrogen formula is the N2 and the molar mass of nitrogen is the 2 into 14 means 28 and amount given 14 upon 28. So 1 by 2 are 0.5 moles. So look here, 14 gram of nitrogen consisting 0.5 moles of nitrogen gas. We know 1 mole gas has 22.4 liter volume at STP. So 0.5 mole gas having total volume, having the volume equal 0.5 into 22.4. So 1 mole having 22.4, so half mole 11.2. 11 point after multiply 11.2 liter or 11,200 ml or 11,200 centimeter cube. So this is your answer. So again listen, 14 gram of nitrogen, molar mass of nitrogen is 28 and mole equal W by M. After calculating 0.5 mole will become, it means 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. 1 mole gas has 22.4 liter volume at STP. So 0.5 mole gas having the volume 0.5 multiplied by 22.4. After multiplying, the answer will become 11.2 liter or 11,200 ml or 11,200 centimeter cube at STP. Okay, please take a screenshot. Second question. First question is correct. Any problem? Please comment. Second question B. 1.5 mole of CO2 gas. 1.5 moles of CO2 gas. So it is very simple. 1 mole gas equal 22.4 liter volume at STP. So 1.5 mole gas having total volume equal 22.4 multiplied by 1.5. That is very simple. So multiply this value. So what we can say 15 4 ja. Now multiply, the value will become 33.6. 33.6 liter or 33,600 ml or 33,600 centimeter cube. 1 ml equal 1 centimeter cube value. 1 liter equal 1000 centimeter cube. That's why I have written also in form of ml, in form of centimeter cube. So this is your answer of second question. Again listen, 1 mole gas occupied 22.4 liter volume at STP. So 1.5 moles, it is multiplied by 22.4. The value will be 33.6 liter at that spot. Okay, please take a screenshot. Now the third question. Third question are interesting. See, given 10 to power 21 molecules of oxygen, it means number of oxygen molecules given 10 to power 21. I know number of any particles represented by capital N. I know already N equal N into 6.023 into 10 to power 23, where N is the number of mole of gas, N is the number of gas molecules, or this is a Avogadro number. By using of this formula, first we can calculate the number of moles of oxygen gas. So N equal N by 6.023 into 10 to power 23. So N value given 10 to power 21 upon 6.023 into 10 to power 23. After calculating this value, 10 to power minus 2 become 10 to power minus 2 upon 6.023. After dividing, the value will become 0.166 into 10 to power minus 2 or 1.66 into 10 to power minus 3 moles. So this is a number of moles present in 10 to power 21 molecules of oxygen. Now this is the value of moles. Any problem is there? No. Okay, look after this. After calculating of mole, we know that 1 mole gas having 22.4 liter volume at STP. किस पे? STP. 1 mole gas consisting 22.4 liter volume at STP. So that number of mole. So 1.66 into 10 to power minus 3. 1.66 into 10 to power minus 3. 10 to power minus 3 moles of gas occupies the total volume equal, look here, 22.4 into, it is multiplied by that one, 1.66 into 10 to power minus 3. After solving, the answer will become 0.037 or 3.71 into 10 to power, yeah, directly we can write 0.0371 liter, or in ml also we can write. So we have to multiply by 1000. So 1123. So 37 ml, 37.2. This is a 2. 37.2 ml or 37.2 centimeter cube. So this is a correct answer. This volume which is occupied by 10 to power 21 molecules of oxygen. So again listen. Here already given number of oxygen. So by using of this formula, first we have to identify, we have to calculate number of moles of oxygen gas. After calculating number of mole of oxygen gas, this is a number of mole of oxygen gas. After calculating number of mole of oxygen gas, we know 1 mole of gas occupied 22.4 liter volume at STP. So this mole, how much volume it will occupy? This number, this moles multiply by 22.4. So answer will be 37.2 centimeter cube or 37.2 ml or 0.0372 liter. Okay, please take a screenshot. Well, students, I have written the next questions. Question number 2. Calculate the mass of 112 centimeter cube volume of hydrogen gas at STP. It means hydrogen gas occupy 112 centimeter cube volume at STP. So what mass of the hydrogen gas in that volume? So look here, it is a really very simple question. So how to calculate? First, we have to find out number of mole of gas. I know already mole equal mass of the gas upon the molar mass. You know already mole of gas equal volume of gas in a liter upon 22.4 liter. This is a formula, equation number 1. Yeah, by using of this formula, total volume given 112, but this volume given in centimeter cube. So first we have to convert into liter. So liter means 1 ml equal 1 centimeter cube. So this number is divided by 1000. So 1000 means 10 to power minus 3. Already it has converted in the liter upon 22.4 liter. After dividing 5 times will be cancelled out. And 5 into 10 to power minus 3 moles. The total number of moles of hydrogen gas in 112 centimeter cube volume of the gas equal 5 into 10 to power minus 3 moles. So N equal W by M. Yani mole equal mass of the gas in a gram upon the molar mass. And the question asking mass. So W equal N into M. The N value 5 into 10 to power minus 3. Or M is molar mass of hydrogen gas. The molar mass of hydrogen gas equal to, so it will multiply by 2. So 5 to the 10 into 10 to power minus 3. After multiply, this value will be 10 to power minus 2 gram or 0.01 gram. So this is your answer. This is your answer for that question. Students, this relation already I taught you. This relation between the number of moles of gas and the volume of gas at STP. So by using of this formula, first we have to calculate the number of mole. After calculating the number of mole and mass relation N equal W by M. So by using of this formula, we can easily calculate the amount of gas in a grams. So please take a screenshot. Well, student, question number 3 I have written here. Look here, what is the question? Calculate the number of molecules. Number of molecules means capital N, presenting 1 decimeter cube of hydrogen gas at STP and 5.6 decimeter cube of methane gas at STP. So look here, I am going to tell about 1 liter equal 1 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube equal 1000 centimeter cube or 1 liter equal 1000 ml. So these are relation between decimeter cube and liter. 1 decimeter cube equal 1 liter. You don't forget this one. So already calculate the number of molecules. So first we have to calculate moles, number of moles. So look here. First question, 2 questions are there. 1 decimeter cube of hydrogen gas. So number of mole equal वॉल्यूम अपॉन 22.4 लीटर. तो वॉल्यूम गिवन 1 decimeter cube या 1 liter. तो 1 upon 22.4. So this is a number of moles. After dividing, this value will be 0.044 moles. So this is a number of moles of hydrogen gas. But n equal n into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. n is the number of molecules या number of particles. In the question asking calculate the number of molecules, so n is the number of molecules. So 0.044 into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. After multiply, the value will be 0.268 into 10 to power 23 or 2.68 into 10 to power 22. Here point I am going to use. So one power will be decreased. So this is a number of molecules of hydrogen in a 1 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube volume of hydrogen at STP. Similarly, that question also we have to do. So first take a screenshot. Okay. Now second question given 5.6 decimeter cube of methane gas. So look here, n equal v by 22.4. So v given 5.6 or 22.4. This value will be cancelled 4 times, 1 upon 4. So 0.25 moles. The total number of mole of methane in 5.6 decimeter cube volume equal 0.25 mole. Now n equal n into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. So by putting the value 0.25 into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. After multiply, the value will become 1 point nearly. After multiply 1.50 into 10 to power 23 molecules of methane gas. Now this is your answer. So these kinds of the question can easily calculated. First, we have to calculate the number of mole. After calculating number of mole, we know relation between the number of molecules and mole equal n equal small n into Avogadro number. By putting the number of moles, so we can easily calculate the total number of molecules of the gases. On the basis of that, already I have solved the both questions. So please take a screenshot. One more thing, students, please subscribe my channels and give your valuable comments and also like and share. Thank you very much, students.